News from Maharashtra. Again, there seems to be trouble for the allies. The Maha Vikas Aghadi again seems to have run into trouble with the NCP and the Shiv Sena now miffed with the Congress. Why? Because there is a fight over the Speaker's post. Now, the reports suggest that Nana Patole had informed he is going to quit. The NCP and Sena claim they weren't informed by the Congress. So all of this is playing out at a time when the BJP is trying hard to ensure that this alliance breaks up. Here are all the latest on that story.
All is not well in the Maharashtra Vikas Aghadi government. Ally trouble is growing for the Congress as NCP and Sena are miffed with the grand old party over the vacant Assembly Speaker post. The rift started 5 months ago when Nana Patole resigned as Speaker of the Assembly to take up his new assignment as State Congress Chief. The move left the Sena and NCP leadership red-faced as they were kept in the dark. Sources say Uddhav Thackeray expressed his displeasure over the Speaker's stalemate in a recent meeting with Congress leaders. The Congress leaders are downplaying the divisions. The vacant Speaker's post is not the only reason for friction. The Congress is undecided on whether it will contest elections alone or jointly with the allies. The death of senior Congress leader Ahmed Patel seems to have affected the coalition's functioning. Sources say Patel had a rapport with Sharad Pawar and the two of them used to resolve routine flare-ups. Now, after the demise of Ahmed Patel, differences between the two parties remain unresolved. With Mausami Singh, Bureau Report, India Today.
So what's exactly playing out in Maharashtra? Let's take this across to Pankaj Upadhyay. He's joining us live from Mumbai with the latest on the story. Pankaj, good morning. We've reported many times about rifts in this alliance. The latest one seems to be the Sena and NCP on one side and the Congress on the other. Are there efforts being made by the Congress to, kind of address the concerns that have been raised by the allies?
Good morning, Akshata. So if one were to notice, State Congress Chief Nana Patole has had this aggressive stance for many weeks now. And this makes one wonder whether he has got the go-ahead from the central leadership. On many occasions with his statements, he has quoted controversies as well. And yet again, he has maintained that the Congress party is going to go solo in the local elections and the state elections as well. Now, these are the kind of statements that have been fueling speculations, if at all everything is okay within the MVA or not. And it is interesting also to note that the likes of the Sanjay Raut, the Devendra Fadnavis and Nana Patole have been making statements and then completely doing a U-turn after making that statement. As far as Nana Patole is concerned, as far as the Congress party in Maharashtra is concerned, political experts maintain that perhaps it is at number 3. Shiv Sena, NCP perhaps are looking strong right now. Congress realizing that it is not all that strong, be it in the state politics or in the national level as well. And therefore, it feels perhaps sidelined. And perhaps this is the reason why many a times Nana Patole makes aggressive stand and perhaps maintaining that Congress, one, cannot be sidelined. Two, perhaps he has the go-ahead to assert himself every now and then. But then this is Maharashtra politics right now. It is in the realm of speculation. The Shiv Sena and the NCP have expressed their displeasure every now and then. One never knows what could happen. Will there be new elections? Will there be the formation of new alliances? Will the old alliance partners are going to come together? But one thing is for sure, even though the alliance partners say that everything is okay within the MVA, the fact remains there is trust deficit within the MVA, and it is very apparent.
And let's see how the trust deficit plays out. Will it lead to an all-out public rift is the question. Pankaj, thank you for joining us with all those details.